Anyway, before we proceed, ito na yung soap. So, if you're going to think, ito yung unang ginamit ko, ito yung pangalawa na, tapos ito yung, magbubukas na ako later on, tapos pagdikitin ko na lang sila. Pero, yan, 2 weeks of using the product, ito yung nagamit ko na 2 bar nung soap. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So ayan, today may panibago na naman tayong vlog. And for today's video guys, another product review. And with this one, etong product na bibigyan ko ng review sa inyo today ay something na makakatulong sa inyo para malighten yung inyong skin tone, makatulong para ma-improve yung inyong skin, and something na makakatulong sa inyo para mabalik yung inyong fresh na skin. And with this one, for sure nakita nyo na dyan sa title or sa thumbnail, the product that I will be reviewing today ay etong product ni YouGlow Babe. And with this one, eto yung kanilang YouGlow Babe Beauty White Soap. And eto yung product na bibigyan ko ng review sa inyo today. So, disclaimer lang, everything that will be shared sa video na ito ay based sa aking personal experience. Upon testing sa product sa aking skin, possible na yung mga na-experience ko ay maging iba sa experience nyo and vice versa. The product is not sponsored. Binili ko ng sarili kong pera itong product na ito. And eto ay 170 pesos pero nagbe-buy one take one sila ng 300 plus. Dapat meron siyang gold logo para legit yung product, okay? If you want to buy yung legit na product, sa description box or somewhere there makikita nyo yung link and ililink ko na lang para sure na legit yung product, okay? And again, this is YouGlow Babe. Ito yung kanilang Beauty White Soap. It has a micro peeling and yung claim nila, this one ay 10 times power whitenings. This one, the YouGlow Babe Soap sa loob. So, meron siyang embossed na YouGlow. So this one, okay? So this is the product sa loob and this is the packaging, okay? Honestly, meron siyang mga acid extract, meron siyang mga whitening ingredients na matatapang. So I am not really sure if the product is good for those who have sensitive na skin. Magaganda yung mga ingredients na in-incorporate nila dito talagang for whitening. Pero medyo matapang yung mga ingredients na in-incorporate nila dito, guys. Please be careful if you're going to use the product. Please don't leave the product for too long on your face kasi nga possible na ma-irritate yung inyong skin. Yung mga ingredients din na inilagay nila dito, meron tranexamic acid, meron siyang alpha-arbutin, and meron siyang niacinamide, salicylic acid, lactic acid, ang daming acid na nilagay nila dito ng mga ingredients. So those ingredients, they are all exfoliant. Nakakatulong para ma-reveal yung fresh na skin. Sa pinaka-product niya, you'll get 5 pieces tapos 70 grams per this one, per bar ng soap. With the amoy ng soap, hindi siya okay na mabango, pero it has fragrance. Anyway, before we proceed, ito na yung soap. So, if you're going to think, ito yung unang ginamit ko, ito yung pangalawa na. Yan, 2 weeks of using the product, ito yung nagamit ko na 2 bar. Now, ginagamit ko yung sabon na ito sa aking face and body. So, really trying the product kung talaga bang nakakaputi siya. Pero if you're going to think of it, nakita nyo sa inyong screen, hindi ako ganun maputi, hindi ako ganoon. Hindi ako maputi talaga. So, ayun guys, yung kanilang claim na it has a micro peeling, yes, parang 2 or 3 days of using the product, nakita ko na nagma-micropeel yung aking skin. So, hindi naman OA na micropeel, pero mapapansin mo na may mga micropeeling effect na nangyayari sa inyong skin. So, natatanggal yung mga dead skin sa ating skin and nare-reveal niya yung fresh na skin. Now, I can see na I am not going to claim, guys, using the product for 2 weeks, I am not going to claim na yung skin ko ay maputi na. But I can say somehow na lighten naman siya, pero hindi OA na lighten. Nakita ko yung improvement na nag-exfoliate, naging fresh, natanggal yung mga konting chararat sa aking mukha, natanggal niya talaga. Pero yun nga, 2 weeks of using the product is not enough for me to say that the product ay nakakaputi. Pero what I want to say, nakakatulong siya para ma-exfoliate yung skin, ma-reveal yung fresh na skin. And kapag gano'n, na continuously natin gamitin yung ganitong product, ay nakakaputi talaga siya. Now, this is just 2 weeks of trying a product. This is just 2 weeks of using it. So, madami pa akong ma-experience. Pero, 2 weeks nakita ko na agad na talagang effective yung product na ito kasi nga, nag-exfoliate yung aking skin. So, ayun guys, nabasa ko na yung aking face. So, nabasa ko na din yung soap. And let's apply all over my face. Just have to lather it. And then apply all over your face. So, everyday ko siyang ginagamit. This one. Been using this for a week now. So yeah. Hindi ko na siya pinapatagal na matagal. So I just leave the soap for 60 seconds or a little longer. Then gonna wash my face. So this is my skin, guys, and this is my face using the product. And I'm gonna wash my face. So that's my skin. Yep. So far, wala akong active pimples. At hindi ako tinitigyawat na. So happy. Yeah. This is face. The only thing that I don't like with the product, kapag medyo nakaligtaan mo siya ng gamit sa skin, na mahapdi siya sa skin kasi nga medyo matapang itong soap na ito. So, I recommend if you're going to use the product, just leave it sa inyong face for 60 seconds and then banlawan nyo na. And then, after gamitin, nakaka-dry siya ng skin. So, although nakaka-light siya ng skin, nakakaputi siya, nakaka-dry naman siya after. So, better use ng mga moisturizer if you're going to use the product para ma-moisturize yung inyong skin. Kapag ginamit naman nga siya, may konting ang hapde, tapos medyo mahapdi siya kapag you leave it too long on your skin, okay? But I can say na nakakatulong siya para makapagpaputi nga talaga. Kasi nga, yun nga, na-exfoliate yung aking skin. Para siyang libag, pero it's not libag, but yun yung dead skin na gawa ng soap. Okay? So, yun, using the product, hindi man ako nag-breakouts. Nakatulong pa siya para matuyo yung mga pimples. Nakatulong siya para ma-improve yung skin tone. And yes, nakaka-lighten siya ng skin tone. Hindi OA na sobrang maputi, pero alam niyo yung feeling na nag-improve yung inyong skin. This one is true, this one is effective, but 2 weeks is not enough. Again, I will update you dun sa mga progress ko using all the soap na ito, kung ano pa yung mga ma-experience ko. But if you're going to ask me for whitening, nakaka-improve siya ng skin tone, pero you have to continue. And I can say naman nakaka-light talaga siya ng skin kasi nga, I can see na nag-improve naman yung aking face. That's my honest review upon trying, upon testing the product, and I like the soap. Okay, so another recommendation for skin lightening, skin whitening, and okay naman to sa aking skin. Okay, so again, yung experience ko can be different from your experience. Possible na yung experience ko ay maging iba sa experience nyo, and vice versa. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them sa comment box, and I will answer all your questions. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a red click for subscribe, and of course, guys, please don't forget to click the notification bell para kapag nag-upload ako ng mga video, ay mana-notified kayo. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!